In this video, I want to share with you why every reseller doing retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale sourcing should be advertising some of their inventory on Amazon. Now, I know a lot of times when you think about advertising on Amazon, it's all focused on people who are doing private label or brand owners who are trying to sell their inventory. And a lot of times resellers like you and me who, like I said before, do retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, or wholesale sourcing, think advertising is just not for me. It's like, how do you even do that? Well, in this video, I want to share with you why you should consider and why every Amazon seller who does reselling should be advertising some of their inventory on Amazon. Number one, more consistent sales. I mean, even a small ad budget will help you increase your sales, and that's going to help you reach more customers and increase your disbursements. I mean, that's obvious. More sales, you're making more money. It's faster sales because you're able to get that inventory sold and you get that disbursement money, and then you're able to reinvest that into more inventory, more consistent sales, faster sales. It's awesome. Number two, less competition. I mean, if you usually try to price around the buy box and try to be competitive with your pricing, then you're going to blow your competition out of the water, unless they're advertising too. But most resellers don't advertise because, like I said, most resellers think it's just for private label sellers or brand owners. No. So if you're able to do advertising right, you're going to get less competition. You're going to get more sales than your competition. I mean, have you ever been on a listing before and you're like, I am priced at the buy box price. I'm even priced a few pennies below the buy box price, and I'm still not getting any sales. Why? Because maybe your competition is advertising and you are not. Well, there's ways that you can advertise and still beat your competition, or at least increase your sales so that you're able to get more sales than those who are not advertising. Or you can even do advertising the right way and beat the other person who is also advertising. So anyway, that's really good. So third reason why you should be advertising on Amazon, higher profits. Because as long as you are buy box eligible, you will have your inventory items show up in search results thanks to advertising. And a lot of times when it comes to the buy box, there is a percentage that you can be priced at to still be buy box eligible. So maybe the buy box is at $20. Well, obviously you're going to be eligible at the buy box at $18, but you also might be eligible for the buy box at $22. So what if you can sell your inventory for higher than your competition and still make more sales because of advertising? As long as you're buy box eligible for that particular inventory item, then you can get more sales because you, again, are advertising your inventory. People are searching for items. It's coming up at the top of the search result engine. Here's an interesting stat. Over 80% of people buy from the very first page of the search results. They buy something from that search result. And if your inventory item is advertised, it's going to show up on the front page. They're going to see that. And the cool thing is when they click on the product, it goes, you're automatically in the buy box because you're advertising. So they click on the product, you're going to be in the buy box. And so you're going to get bigger sales, higher profits. So that's a third reason, higher profits. Fourth reason, better cash flow. I mean, if you're able to continue to sell more inventory, you're making more disbursements, you're able to reinvest that back into your inventory and continue to grow. It's like you're snowballing your profits because you're selling your items faster, you're making money faster, and you're able to reinvest it faster. And the faster that you can do that, the faster you're going to be able to continually grow a snowball of profit. So that's the fourth reason. Fifth reason, it will help increase your IPI. Your IPI score, your inventory performance index score. Amazon loves faster sales. The faster sales that you can get, the higher your IPI score is going to be. If you need a little primer about what IPI is, you can go to fulltimefba.com/IPI and give you some information to understand that. But advertising sales helps increase your IPI score, your inventory performance index score, which helps you get more time in the buy box, more storage space at Amazon, all that kind of stuff. So those are some awesome reasons why you need to be advertising as a reseller on Amazon. If you're looking for a course to help you, I highly recommend my friend Joanne's Advertising 101 course. It is a video course focused on all the nuts and bolts on how to advertise. the right ways to set up your advertising, how to, if you're already advertising on Amazon, how to look into what's going wrong to solve the problems of why you're advertising incorrectly. Why, a lot of times people say, I tried advertising, didn't work for me, I lost a lot of money. Well, you were doing it wrong. That's why. So fulltimefba.com/Amazon ads is the course that can show you everything you need to know about how to do Amazon ads as a reseller. This is not a course for private label sellers, not a course for brand owners. That's a whole different type of strategy. This is a course for resellers that do retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, wholesale sourcing. There's a different type of strategy to advertise on Amazon with that mindset as a reseller. So coupon code, you want a coupon code? I got one. You can save $20 with the coupon code FULLTIME20. FULLTIME20 will save you $20 off the Amazon Ads 101 course. Go to fulltimefba.com/Amazon ads. Get the course. I highly recommend it, and it will help you, again, increase your profits, have less competition. It will help you get better cash flow, and it will help you get more consistent sales. Well, this has been Steven Smotherman. Hopefully this has been helpful. Got any questions, leave them in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. But more importantly, subscribe to our blog. The newsletter goes out at least once a week, fulltimefba.com, and click the little subscribe button at the very top of the page, and you can subscribe to our blog, get some freebies, some free PDFs, get notified of new blog posts, new videos, new coupon codes, new freebies, fulltimefba.com. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye.